this is one of two articles where I was able to find the whole video, actually the part of the interview with Fox military analyst. So this guy is ex-military, when he stated that it's now infamous quote, it worked on Songbird John, meaning John McCain. So I will now show. So this is Daily Beast. It's published in 2018, 10th of May, actually updated then. So this is the article. Talks about that so-called incident when this guy called John McCain a traitor, Songbird, which means someone who betrays, usually war captive who betrays his country. So I will now play this video, and there is another article with even more details. I mean, there are some pictures from that time when John McCain was captured in Vietnam, I think. So I will now play this this video.
Real quick though, because Senator John McCain has said he's not going to endorse half-spell also, in part because she believes in torture, that she thinks it works, even though she laid out at least 3 instances where it did work to the benefit of humankind, not just Americans, but all human beings. Should they be evaluating this nominee on her feelings, or based strictly on the facts and her commitment not to use it anymore because it's no longer legal for us?
Well, she can't use it anymore because we've determined, the Congress, that it's not legal. The fact is John McCain, it worked on John. That's why they call him Songbird John. The fact is those methods can work, and they're effective, as former Vice President Cheney said. And if we have to use them to save 1 million American lives, we will do whatever we have to.
Sir, thank you very, very much. Really appreciate it.
Okay, so that was that guy. Again, I think he's ex-military. And there are some other videos on YouTube. Of course, I will add them in a separate video about John McCain in the context of his wife Cindy McCain stating that they all knew about Jeffrey Epstein, what he was doing, but he was what's the right term? Above their pay grade or something like that. So she publicly stated that in some public event. So this proves who are actually their United States so-called elite. I mean, elite wanted. And I will now, after this video, I will create another video with even more details about John McCain, or Songbird John.